Y'all, it's Rob Money's Car Stereo. For y'all who do not know, I do cars too. You know, from the somewhat complex to simple installs. This is a new Malibu. Got the 12s in the back there. You know, add on to the stock system to get the young lady in the game. You know, she want a little bit, but not a whole bunch, but enough to get her through. So, you know.
Hold up, let the beat build. See me in the streets still. I've been fighting battles up a steep hill. They gave my road dog 12, it was a sweet deal. And I've been riding solo trying to rebuild. I was riding around in the V12 with the racks in the middle. Had to pray to Almighty God, they let my dog out the kennel. When you get it straight up out the mud, you can't imagine this shit. I've been pulling up in the drop tops with the baddest bitch. Young nigga been focused on my check. Got a new coupe wrapped around my trying to put the water on my I got killers to the.
Hey, young lady. So, you alright with your music? You alright with your music? We good?
We good.
Well, you know, this goes with the package, you know. Let the world see what's going on. I'll pop the bag open. Let's see what's going on up in there.
Yes. Okay. Look at
So it's official. Money's Car Stereo in the house. We gotta go. I told y'all, I'm here, I'm there, I'm everywhere. Something like, there.
Under no condition would you ever catch me slipping.
One more time, for those who couldn't believe it. Come on, work with me, son, work with me. 1, 2, 3. We out of there. Man, what brings you to Money's Car Stereo, man?
I heard about you.
Uh-huh.
I done seen your work, and I know you can get down. So I want to see what you can do for me.
Okay. So I see you got your Fosgates 15s, you got your Hyphonics. Where's your word amp at?
That's all I got.
What's playing the vocal then?
Off the deck.
Off the deck, okay. So, but when I was looking at this, man, this is a 64 Malibu. Man, with the red lines on there. And you sitting on Camaros. Yeah. Man, you sounded kind of beefy when you came up in the driveway, man. You mind if we take a look, Mary can see what's going on? But he sounded real good. Oh, Lord. Okay. A little something. Man, a little more than a little something, man. That's a slightly above stock, you know. Some might say that's some extras on extras. So, was it difficult getting this up in here, you yourself, or you had a team on it with you?
I had a couple of dudes that I really deal with. I've been dealing with my man Steve and San Bruno. He actually put the motor in.
Yeah.
And his cousin, they work as a team.
Kev,
exactly.
See, I know people who know people.
Right, exactly.
See?
So it's a small world. We live in it. But Kev wired me all up. I had Jason tune it.
Yeah.
And from there, I mean, the car was pretty much all there. I got it from the original owner, a lady in San Mateo. And she laced me up. And once she gave it to me, I went through the whole drivetrain. I snatched the 350 out of it that was in there. She had got some hook or crook motor that she had got from an older husband that she had. So that was the reason why the original motor wasn't in it. But the transmission, the rear end, had San Jose Rear End Specialties do their numbers.
What gear range did you run on that?
373.
373?
Yep.
So you got the 4L60 transmission?
I do.
So with you putting like 373s in the back, that gives that jump out the hole.
Exactly.
Something like we got my other truck in here, the Tahoe, it jumped.
Yeah.
And my people said, leave stock one. I said, no, it's going to be no good coming out the hole. Need that fourth gear going to calm it back down.
It does, but that's where my mileage comes in.
Yeah.
You know, and I get great gas mileage. I mean, I can go from here to Reno.
On a full tank gas, how far are you getting?
I can get almost to Reno.
Y'all hear that? Almost to Reno on a full tank gas. Kev told me some, I was saying fairy tale shit like that, but we got second person confirm it right here.
I'm pushing 70, 75. And it's comfortable.
It's comfortable. It ain't howling, screaming. Nope. It's just going. Nope. Man, them red lines, and that's a whole nother game changer, man. When people come with the red lines.
Keep it stock and old school, but it's upgraded.
Okay, so you basically what we call that, touring, pro touring look.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, you got a little tilt in the front. Okay, I see what you're going. Hey, I'm just letting y'all see what I see, y'all, and it's beautiful over here on my part of the woods. We out. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, so why you dropping so low on the front? You just like this roll like that?
I never did like it being so high, and it gives me better handling and curves. I'm a driver, so you know I like driving it. I ain't trying to high side down the block and all that and hitting a bunch of dips. I watch out.
Yeah.
I just like the stance being like that, lower like that. And I could bring it back up because they're adjustable coil.
Yeah, y'all, I've been talking with my man for a minute, man. Man, he been showing me some tricks and techniques, how to get the 17s on there, the LS stuff. You know, I know some people, but it's always good to know more stuff, you know what I'm saying? He blacked out the SS. You're not supposed to be chrome, y'all, but you know what? That's his thing. That's how he gonna do it. See, black over there and he black over there because it's a black man. That's how he gonna do it. But y'all didn't see this. I didn't see it earlier until we got to talking. He electric up in this bitch. Yeah, man, you did. How hard was it to electrify this?
Easy peasy, black and red, do the damn thing.
What? Like that?
Yep.
Man, hit the switch, man. I don't even believe this shit work, man. Hit the switch. Make some move, man. What? Hey, he ain't even in the car. Y'all see that? You can't move the windows up and down from that, can you? Okay, he can't do that part, but hey, y'all see that? He in there. Door open. That's that one click start, and look at this, y'all. Man. Okay. Yeah. I'm feeling this is how you integrated this up in here. So you told me the guy you told me about did hooked you up for that?
Ron Coleman.
Ron Coleman in Dade City?
Dade City, Rapping Ron, that's what I call him.
Okay, y'all hear that Rapping Ron up in Dade City, y'all. My man said he got the hook up. So, you know what that means? If I got the hook up, y'all got the hook up. Don't call me and bug me because I don't know nothing about nothing. I'm just saying. I'm letting y'all see what I see. All right, man. Oh, you got the... Wait a second. Don't tell me I go something like...
Yeah, she pressed the brake.
Off. And so to bring it back on... Oh, wait. Man, I see now that I sit up in here, I see more than what I saw just from a simple walk by. I'm seeing some extra stuff, extra. You better not be tilt, man. You tilting too?
Nah, no tilt.
No tilt? No tilt needed?
Fat dudes.
Only for the fat dudes to get out the way for the stomach. Y'all hear him? Hey, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go now. This is Rob Money's Car Stereo. Just letting you see what I see, man. I see some nice stuff, and I'm here reporting it, letting y'all see what I see. We out.